Good morning, students. So, today's first problem is compute Fisher's price index and show that it satisfies TRT and FRT. So here first you have to calculate Fisher price index number because the question is compute Fisher price index number. Then you have to verify whether it satisfies TRT and FRT. So in theory part we have studied Fisher's index number satisfy both TRT and FRT. So that you have to remember. Now the given items are A, B, C, D and 2004 and 2006 years are given here. So 2004 is the base year, 2006 is the current year. In 2004 price and quantities are given. In 2006 also price and quantities are given. So prices are 8, 7, 10, 12, quantity 15, 12, 10, 14, price 9, 8, 10, 15, that is in current year, quantity 15, 13, 10, 16. Now go to the solution part. First write the given items A, B, C, D, then the price in 2004 base year P naught, that is 8, 7, 10, 12 and the quantity Q naught 15, 12, 10, 14. Then price in current year, that is P1, 9, 8, 10, 15. Quantity Q1, 15, 13, 10, 16. First we have to calculate Fisher's price index number. So write the formula of Fisher's price index. Write Fisher's price index is P01 Fisher. What is the formula Fisher? So that is square root of Lascaris into Paschus. That is summation P1 Q naught by summation P naught Q naught into, it is Lascaris into Paschus. Summation P1 Q1 divided by summation P naught Q1. Okay. So into 100. Now first calculate P1 Q naught. P1 Q naught. The first value P1 9. P1 Q naught 15 into 9. 135. Then 12 into 8, that is 96. Next is the 10 into 10, that is 100. Next 15 into 14 is 210. Now next column is P naught Q naught. P naught Q naught. 8 into 15, that is 120. Next 7 into 12, 84. 10 into 10, 100. And 12 into 4, 14. It is 168. Next P1 Q1, that is 15 into 9, it is 135. Next 13 into 8, 104. 10 into 10, 100. 15 into 16, 240. Last column P naught Q1. P naught Q 1. First P naught value 8, P naught Q1 15 into 8 120, then 8 into 7, right? P naught Q1 sorry, 13 into 7 is 91, 10 into 10 100, P naught Q1 12 into 16 192. Now add P1 Q0 135 plus 96 plus 100 plus 210. Answer is 541. P0 Q0 total 120 plus 84 plus 100 plus 168 472. Now P1 Q1 135 plus 104 plus 100 plus 240. It is 579. Last one P0 Q1 120 plus 91 plus 100 plus 192. It is 503. Now substitute the values. Equal to square root of P1 Q0, that is 541, divided by P0 Q0 472 into P1 Q1 579 divided by P0 Q1, it is 503 into 100. So this is equal to square root of 541 divided by 472. The answer is 1.146 into 579 divided by 503. 1.151 into 100. So this is equal to square root of 1.146 into 1.151 into 100. So 123.21. So Fisher's price index number is 121.21. Now the next question is, show that it satisfies TRT and FRT. So next write Fisher's price index with time reversal is, so this is TRT, that is P10F equal to, what is the formula? Interchanging the values of 0 and 1. That is here summation P1 Q0. So this is P0 Q1 divided by P0 Q0 P1 Q1 into P1 Q1 P0 Q0 divided by P0 Q1, it is P1 Q0. So this is time reversal for Fisher's price index. Now write, substitute the values. Square root of P0 Q1 value is P0 Q1 503 divided by P1 Q1 is 579 into P0 Q0 541 divided by P1 Q0. P0 Q0 is 472. This is 472 divided by 541. 1. Now, according to TRT, so what is the condition? P01 into P10, that equal to 1. Okay. Now, P01 Fisher into time reversal Fisher index number, it gives square root of, first write P01, that is, see here this one, 541 by 472 into 579 by 503. Into square root of P10, that is 503 divided by 579 into 472 divided by 541. Now, so this can be written as, so write both the values in one square root. Whole square root of 541 divided by 472 into 579 divided by 503 into 503 divided by 579 into 472 divided by 541. Now 541 gets cancelled, 579 also gets cancelled, 503 cancel, 472 also gets cancelled. Now the remaining thing is square root of 1. So square root of 1 equal to 1. So hence Fisher index number satisfies TRT. Fisher index number satisfy TRT. Now next one is the FRT. Right? So what is the FRT condition? That is P01 into Q01 equal to V01. First write Fisher price index, right? Consider Fisher's price index, that is P01 Fisher equal to square root of, write the formula, summation P1 Q0 by P0 Q0 into summation P1 Q1 by P0 Q1. Here only substitute the values. So that is this 541 by 472, 579 by 503. Now next, Fisher quantity index. Fisher's quantity index. Q01F equal to square root of, first write the formula Fisher, summation Q1 P0 by Q0 P0 into summation Q1 P1 by Q0 P1. So this is equal to square root of Q1 P0. Say here Q1 P0. Q1 P0 503 divided by Q0 P0 or P0 Q0, that is 472 into Q1 P1 579 divided by Q0 P1 541. Now write according to FRT, P01 into Q01 equal to V01, right? P01 into Q01 equal to V01. First consider the two values, that is P01 into Q01. Consider P01 into Q01 is equal to square root of summation P1 Q0 by P0 Q0 price formula into P1 Q1 by P0 Q1 into quantity Q1 P0 by Q0 P0 into summation Q1 P1 by Q0 P1. So now substitute the values. Square root of 541 by 472 into 579 by 503. Square root of quantity 503 divided by 472 into 579 by 541. Now this can be written as whole square root of 541 by 472 into 579 by 503 into 503 divided by 472, 579 by 541. Now 541 gets cancelled, 579, 503 gets cancelled. Now the remaining thing is 579 into 579 divided by 472 into 472, and this can be written as whole square root of 579 into 579, 579 square, right, divided by 472 into 472 whole square, and this can be written as whole square root of 579 by 472 whole square. Now this square and this square root cancel, and the remaining thing is 579 by 472, right? So this is P01 into Q01. Now V01. So what is V01? So the our answer should be 579 by 472, right? So what is V01? Summation P1 Q1 by summation P0 Q0. See here, P1 Q1 total 579 divided by P0 Q0 total 472. So this is equal to this. Therefore, P01 into Q01 equal to V01. Therefore, Fisher index number satisfy FRT. Therefore, Fisher's index number satisfies FRT. So Fisher index number, so Fisher satisfy both TRT and FRT. So remember that. I hope you understood this problem. Now the next concept is bias in an index number. It is bias in an index number. So what is the meaning of bias? Bias means what? It is giving importance to one. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಬಯಾಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅನ್ಬಯಾಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಇಫ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 4 ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ಸ್, ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ 4 ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ 3 to 1 person and 1 to another person. Okay, 3 chocolates to a person and 1 chocolate to any other person. Okay, it's bias. 4 ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು, 3 ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಎ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ, 1 ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬಿ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಬಯಾಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಫ್ ಐ ಶೇರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗಿವ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ಬಯಾಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಬಯಾಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? Giving importance to only one person or any one things. Now here Lasperus is upward bias and Pasch's downward bias, and the remaining price index numbers are free of bias. It is free of bias. So why it is upward bias, why it is downward bias, and why other things are free of bias? So bias means it is giving importance to only one. In Lasperus we consider base year quantity as weight, right? Now Lasperus alli ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಬೇಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿಯನ್ನು ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಮೇಷನ್ P1 Q0 by summation P0 Q0, right? In Lasperus we are using base year quantity as weight. In Pasch's we are using P1 Q1 by P0 Q1. So in Pasch's we are using current year quantity as weight. For example, sales of any product in 2000. So sales of any product in 2000, it is a product is high, sales of the product is high in 2000 and in 2001 it is less. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ತುಂಬ ಸೇಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಸೇಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. Correct. Due to some reasons, even the consumption of some of the items decreases in the current year due to raise in their prices or due to changes in the habits or taste, custom of the people. ಇದು ಅಥವಾ ಜನರದ್ದು ಅವರದ್ದು ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇರೆ ಇದ್ದಾಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟಿಗೆ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆದರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆದರೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಥವಾ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ there will be a variation, right? So here the product is high in 2000 and less in 2001 sales of the product. Okay, now if I consider Lasperus, we take base year as weight, right? In Lasperus we are taken base year as weight. So then our answer will be high. ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಬೇಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಆಗ ನನ್ನ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಸೇಲ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ನನ್ನ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅ high, right? Okay, see, if I consider Lasperus, in Lasperus we are taking base year as weight. Here the sales of the product is very high in 2000, then our answer will be high because we are giving importance to base year, right? In Lasperus we are giving importance to base year, so it is upward bias. Okay, considering Pasch's, for example, if I consider Pasch's, then we give importance to current year, right? Current year quantity. So our answer will be less because in 2001 sales of the product is very less. So this will be downward bias. Understood? This will be downward bias. And the other things are other index numbers, that is Marshall-Edgeworth, Dorbish-Bowles and Fisher. So these three are free of bias. Why? Because in Marshall-Edgeworth, Dorbish-Bowles, Fishers, we are using both the price index number, that is Lasperus and Pasch's. Here Lasperus is the upward bias because in Lascaris we are using base year quantity as weight, and Paschus is the downward bias because we are using current year quantity as weight, and the other things are free of bias because in here we are using both Lascaris and Paschus, mean we are using both quantities as weight, that is base year as well as ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇಯರ್, ರೈಟ್. ಎರಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಬೇಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅನ್ಸ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅನ್ಸ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಸಿ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಆಫ್ ಮಾರ್ಷಲ್ ಎಚ್ವರ್ತ್. It is half of Lascaris plus Paschus, summation P1 Q0 by P0 Q0 plus summation P1 Q1 by summation P0 Q1, right? So here we are using both the quantities as weight. See, base year and current year. Okay, so that's why Marshall Edgeworth, Dorbish-Bolles, Fishers are called free of bias. So this is about bias in an index number. And the next concept is, the last one is that is CPI, Consumer Price Index Number, CPI. So this is the last concept of this chapter that we will discuss in the next class. Thank you.